Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Python Gurukul. Today we'll be learning about Python installation in Windows environment. And for that only we need python.org website. And even before starting the installation, we want to check that if we have Python installed or not. So we'll go to the command prompt. From the command prompt, we'll try to type the Python. If we do not have Python, it will try to install the Python from Windows App Store. So let's give a try. Okay, so now we see that it is looking for Python, did not find. Now it is launching the Microsoft Store, and from there it will try to suggest the installation. So as for today, it is trying to install the Python 3.9, but we are not interested in this 3.9. We are looking for more option where we can choose and we can do the installation. So let's bring the browser, and from there we'll go to python.org. And here directly jump to downloads page, and as we see that we have latest version of Python 3.10, we can directly click on Python 3.10, or we can just say Windows, and then we can choose the option from here. So here we have Python 3.10. Also we see the link for Python 2.7. Now we are not worrying about 2.7 because it's already end of life. So we'll be installing and using 3.10. So let's go ahead and choose the Python 3.10. And then keep scrolling down, and then we have different options for installation. So as of now, right now we are focused on Windows, and from there most of the time now we are dealing with the 64-bit. So I'll highly encourage that use the 64-bit installer. Later we'll talk about why we are looking for 64-bit installer. So go ahead and choose the Windows install 64-bit. Okay, and as soon as it's get downloaded, let's go ahead, launch the installer. From there we have several options to choose. Here it is just saying that where it is going to install. If you want to customize installations, choose or modify something, we can do from here, and let's do that. So mostly these are the default, and I'll highly encourage that just go with the default, saying documentation, PIP, TLK for UI development, and some test suite. And the next one, so this is very much important and we need to take a look. This is the path where we want to install the Python. For the demo purpose, I'll keep it simple. I'll go with the default path. But if you want in another path, you can choose another path. I'll say, before going to install, I want to talk about one more thing. So on the previous page here, we have option where we are saying that add Python 3.10 to path. So if you are not specific where you want to keep and manually want to set the Python path, then it's fine. Otherwise, if you are starting, I'll highly encourage that choose this option. It is just going to add the Python installation path to Windows path variable, and then say customize installation. Again, we are going to the installation, and we'll say next. Okay, so now we see that Python has been successfully installed, and this is the version we choose, and now it has been installed. So now it's time to check if it has been successfully installed. So we'll close the previous window. Once again, we'll bring the command prompt, and from here we'll type the Python command once again. And now we see that it is returning the prompt, and these three buttons are just saying that now we are in Python path. And here I'll run one very common command, print hello world, and we see it is returning back. So that's all I had for this video. Thanks for watching.